Yes, hello everybody. Let's explore AI Studio, Google AI Studio, and see their latest AI image generation model. So AI Studio Google, yep, Google AI Studio, and yeah, let's have like sort of Gen AI test, save, and let's start with as you can see here in the overview, we can give it a certain temperature because we can here speak also with Gemini 2.5 Flash. We are right now in the image preview. That would be in the chat part, I think, where you can pretty much do everything as far as understood. Then there is a stream part where you can talk to it live. The generate some media and then some pre-built solutions. The beautiful thing about this is that you can relatively quickly use these tools. Then you sort of like get the code. You can get an API key and build products here, AI products, super fast. But let's specifically now take a look at what capabilities the new AI image generation model actually has. Yeah, Nano Banana, also called. Let's go with the suggestion. Generate an image of a banana wearing a costume with a hat. Run. This takes a moment. And I am using 24 token from 32,000 left. Okay, so for the image generation, you see it, uses quite some. Okay, that looks, I think, already quite good. Let's see how good we can work with it. Give it a face and a smartphone. Let's see how consistent the image stays. Yep, a face, a smartphone looks relatively consistent, and it's also relatively high fidelity. Okay, cool. Then I think we can also upload some images. Let's upload something. Okay, no, not that. What else? Okay, I think here I have a cool one. Or let's take this one. Yep. And I say the banana from above should walk in this hall. I think that's a very complex task. Now it has to take the figure from above and place it into this into this hall, and I think this is relatively complicated. It would highly surprise me if it is able to do that. Okay, that looks already great, but the ratios don't match. The ratios are not realistic. Make the banana real sized. Wow, but this is fantastic. I mean, now the banana should be super small, I think. Let's see. But this is great, I think. Like very, you just throw it all into one chat and build things. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And in the meantime, it's consuming my token. Yeah, I guess that's okay. Yeah, maybe slightly smaller. Yeah, didn't fully work here, but I'm still have a relatively positive feeling. Let's explore what others have built, yeah, and also dynamic text using gaming. You can use certain templates here and then work from that. Yeah, also videos can be generated. Maybe we can do that as well. Let's see. Here's a history, banana costume. Let's see if I can generate a short video. Okay, make a short 7 seconds video out of this. Okay, it's unable to create videos, it says. So this does not work here. Fine. Let's again go to the build part and let's see, for instance, this gem booth. Allow access. So this is what someone has built, yeah, and you can even download the app, copy this app, fork it, work with it, deploy to the cloud. That's fantastic. Yeah, okay. Let's say 19th century. What is it building now? Yeah. Oh, cool. Yeah, that looks quite cool. Yeah, awesome. That looks also quite well. Pix Shop, maybe another app we can analyze. First we do full screen, then retouch photos, upload an image. What is this? Yes, we upload that. Retouch, crop, adjust. First click on the point of the image. Yeah, okay. Let's say here. And now, great, now describe the localized edit. What does it say? Delete the text. It says done. Wow, it's gone, clean gone. Okay, then let me try something else. Here or here. And then I say a person kisses the bottle there. Wow, fantastic. That looks really good. Okay, wait, and what if I tap here or here and then I say something like add this text, a touch like a kiss. So that is fantastic regarding, yeah, awesome. That is fantastic. That's literally Photoshop right there. Um, and yeah, pretty cool. This can be now downloaded. No, great. Yeah, and I think, yeah, there are many more applications to, yeah, and I think there are many more things to try out. For instance, video to learning app. Okay, this is the last one I click on. What does it say? Aha, you give it a YouTube link and then it will generate something. Let's see. Let's take this one here. 7 remote jobs you can do from home.
You never have to.
Let's see. Generate app. So it's literally generating a learning app. So while this is loading and generating, think about it. You can do all thumbnails in there. You can build applications literally on the fly. Oh, okay, this didn't work. But this is code here. This is a tool, as you can see here. Wouldn't surprise me if it's done with Firebase Studio. Then you can even you can switch back to preview. Here you see the code spec. Okay, you can add a share button and then let the coding assistant error running code. Okay, autofix. Fantastic. As you can see here, we can do all the changes. Anyways, I don't want to go too deep into this. Feel free to explore it and let me know what you think, what you have learned. I'm highly interested, and I will definitely keep exploring here. Thank you. Bye bye.